Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Okay, so today I'm preparing for my family stew conch with fried bread. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Family, if you want tender, delicious stew conch, do not leave this step out. This is important. Scald the conch first. Just a scald now. God bless you. I must say thank you to my returning subscribers. I want you to know that you are my MVP. And to you who have just decided to join us, God bless you and you are welcome. Come on now, my followers. You're just watching. You're out there. I see you. I appreciate you following me. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. Subscription is free. Be sure to hit the notification bell now, so that you'll be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you today. Family, remember, my recipes are not gospel. Whatever I'm using and you don't want in yours, just leave it out. Use my recipes as a guide. God bless you. By the way, family, I am still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you today.
Oh,
The stew was supposed to be served with hot bread, but they're not ready yet, so I'm gonna fry one of the loaves. Watch me do it. I have two videos here with stew conch. Whichever one you feel comfortable with, you use it. These are here for you. Happy cooking and God bless you. If you have watched this video all the way to the end and have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.